We are here. We are getting a speed run on the Carisma RS5 kit that we put together here a couple weeks, a month or so ago. He's just got this body on it for now, since it hasn't been painted yet. Here, can you lift this for just a second? I was gonna get a shot of the motor and.
Oh, okay.
The motor's the stock
Carisma motor.
Carisma 19 turn. The ESC is a Gool RC. As you can tell, we like our cheap motors and ESCs.
I like testing stuff. So we're at 1 mile per hour. That's okay. We're gonna go faster than that. Hopefully.
We're in a semi-crowded neighborhood, so we may have to stop and cut you guys back in if we experience any traffic or.
No, we're good.
Anything.
It's not gonna go 100 miles an hour, I promise.
This is a brush. He's gonna send it up the road and then back down. This is actually the first run video of this. He's got it linked to the Fly Sky.
Oh, trusty.
That's full speed, guys. That is 3S, and that's pretty well top speed.
Next time you see it, we're gonna be going a lot faster than that. It was not set. Oh, 22. 22.
We got a 22 top speed. Okay, yeah.
Well, that's not
That's
horrible.
not bad for brushed.
No, that's actually pretty decent. Gool RC. Let's see. I'll shoot for 4S. If it's heavy enough to handle it.
Alright guys, we're going to cut out right here, do a couple more speed runs for you guys, and subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll get those